it's your VA ate in Spain, and since a lot of people have been asking, paano daw, how does it work yung pag-apply directly in Spain? So I want to come on here just to explain that a little bit, since after the update on the ITR requirements na ina-ask for the consulate, a lot of people re-strategize to apply directly now in UHE. So, paano po makapunta ng Spain and ano yung magiging pathway for the digital nomad visa, yung 3-year residence authorization na ia-apply mo here in UHE. So, basically, you can apply with any type of visa that grants you access to the Schengen states. So, it can be a visit visa if you have relatives, family, or friends here that can accommodate you and basically like sign a formal obligation to invite you to come here, then definitely that is also an option. But yung pinaka main option here is that you go with the tourist visa. So sa tourist visa, iba-iba kasi yung level of leniency and requirements for each Schengen states. So depending kung saan ka mag-a-apply, minsan for example, sa Netherlands, medyo mas lenient sila and mas mataas yung chances of approval for first-time applicants na mag apply for a Schengen visa. So a lot of clients choose to apply from there, like sa Netherlands Embassy or sa VFS. And then from there, they request or they are pretty much transparent that they will visit other Schengen countries. So ang ibibigay sa kanila usually single entry with access to the other Schengen states. And from that, you have to make sure na yung entry and exit mo is kung saan ka nag-apply or saan ka na-approve for a visa, and be compliant pa din na yung longest stay mo is doon sa Schengen area na yon or doon sa Schengen country na yon. Kasi just in case, you get denied and kailangan mo bumalik sa Pilipinas or kailangan mo ulit mag-apply for a Schengen visa, to make sure na compliant ka. And mas mataas yung likelihood na bibigyan ka ulit ng Schengen tourist visa. And you can basically do naman kasi since it's all digital, you can basically just go to Spain for a day or two, as long as yung longest stay mo dun sa Schengen country na yan, just to submit. Punta ka lang ng Spain just to submit kasi kailangan physically present ka and legally nag-i-stay ka in Spain at the time of your application. So I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have any more questions, please leave them down below. Thank you so much. Ciao!